Okay. So we've solved our gearing problem.
This thing's scary.
With an official 600 revolutions per minute. So in other words, you can now pedal as fast as Roadrunner.
That's actually Roadrunner. He doesn't even have a
And
speed.
we finally have the proper battery set up the way it's going to be.
Would you totally put a horn
And
that goes me me?
check out our lighting system.
Oh, ready? I'm blinded.
Ah! All right,
Turn on
now,
power.
yeah,
Power.
I'll be very, very careful
I don't move it.
because it will spin that tire. I told you, gentle.
Yeah, I have brakes on the back of my shoes. Nope.
Gentle on the throttle.
Oh, that's why.
Did it jump?
It came off of this. I put it back.
Oh, okay.
Power. Please don't burn
Remember,
me.
where's your brake handle? Can you reach it without pulling the throttle?
Yeah.
We should probably put it on the other handle.
Okay, number one. Can it finally go up this hill without me pushing it?
Oh, I guarantee you it can, but can the chain handle it? Nope. Chain cannot handle it. What the hell happened there?
It practically broke the zip tie.
How fast were you going?
I barely